Oh wow, so yum. It's lunchtime and I have some chips masala which I've served up with some kachumbari, ketchup and a glass of cold juice. It's truly incredible whipping up some delicious meal using the simplest of ingredients. Today I'm going to be showing you a very easy chips masala recipe but with a twist, and it's going to turn out absolutely delicious as always. And because I've already prepped up everything, I'm going to get straight into boiling my beef for around 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm going to transfer to my pan, add in some water, lay the meat in a single layer just like this so that every piece of meat can be immersed in the water for that perfect boiling, and let the beef boil. If you have not yet prepped up your onions, coriander, we have some kachumbari, you're going to prep up at this point while the meat is boiling. After 10 minutes of boiling my beef, I'm going to get straight into frying my potatoes. So I'm going to place a frying pan with cooking oil over medium flame. This is around 5 to 6 small potatoes that I've chopped up into wedges. Make sure to dry your potatoes before adding in the pan, because you know what happens when water and oil mix. To check if your cooking oil is ready, you're going to pick one piece of potato and drop into the cooking oil. Once you notice small bubbling, or if the potato floats, the oil is ready to add in the rest of the potatoes. Now, the first step to making the perfect potato wedges without boiling fast is to cook the potatoes on the inside. So I'm going to carefully drop in the rest of the potatoes into the cooking oil. You're going to use a skimmer and toss the potatoes. Then you're going to cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. This step is very crucial because the potato wedges are thick, so we want to cook the potatoes on the inside. Now, my meat is still boiling, so I'm going to throw in a little bit of salt, around a quarter teaspoon, and I'm using fine salt. If you're going to be using the regular salt, you can check if the seasoning is perfect. If it's not perfect, you're going to throw in some more salt afterwards. The good thing about making simple potato dishes is that you require no effort. You're just frying and cooking our beef. Whenever you're frying your potatoes and you notice that they're sticking on the bottom of the pan, avoid overcrowding and make sure that the cooking oil is at the right temperature. This is after 17 minutes exactly. So I'm going to add in some cooking oil to my beef, and then I'm going to sear for around a minute, and this is going to add in so much flavor to the recipe. I'm going to check on my potato wedges, and this is how they're looking. So this is after 3 minutes. The potatoes are cooked on the inside and they're not crispy on the outside. So I'm going to transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towel to drain off the excess oil. And then the second step to making the perfect potato wedges which are crispy is going to be double frying. So you're going to wait for around 30 seconds so that the oil can get a little bit more hot. Then you're going to transfer back the potatoes to crispen up on the outside. My meat is looking absolutely delicious, and I love that aroma when you're searing. That is always so incredible. It's like we're making nyama choma. So now this is after 30 seconds. I'm going to carefully drop in the potatoes into the hot oil. Toss and fry for around 30 seconds to 45 seconds at most. My beef is ready, and as you can see, we have that nice sear. So you're going to add in one thinly sliced onion, Add in half a teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and a quarter teaspoon of garam masala. Add in half a teaspoon of peri-peri seasoning. Stir your meat together with the spices and toast for around 10 to 20 seconds. And this is going to make the spices very flavorful. And once done, you're going to add in 1/3 cup of ketchup. Add in my sweet chili. Toss the ketchup, the meat. Wow, just check this out. Looks very saucy, delicious. Yum, yum, yum. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of water to my pan. My wedges are ready, and as you can see, they have that nice golden brown color. You're going to cook the sauce together with the beef for around a minute, and just look how thick, glossy the sauce is looking. I'm going to check the seasoning. Throw in a little bit salt. The beef at this point is looking very inviting. I can just enjoy as is, but we are going to throw in our potato wedges. So crispy. Oh wow. After coating the potato wedges with the delicious sauce you're going to fry, you're going to cook for around 1 minute. Garnish with coriander or parsley. Toss your coriander, and my oh my, this looks absolutely delicious. So I'm going to put out the flames, and I'm ready to serve and dig in. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm totally in love with the recipe because it needs very basic ingredients. We have a kick of spiciness, which I absolutely love because I'm a spicy kind of person. But if you want to tone down the amount of spiciness in this chips masala, you can serve with some kachumbari or even sip on some cold juice.